I am going to cover Judy Garren's bus with slime. Har 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 har. Yes. I covered Judy Garren's bus with slime. Yes. I covered Judy Garren's bus with slime. Yes. I covered Judy Garren's bus with slime. Oh no. It's Judy Garren. I am so busted now.
John Veston, how dare you cover my bus with slime? Now I need to clean up that bus because of you. That's it. I am calling Eumenius Griffiths about this.
John Veston, how dare you cover Judy Garren's bus with slime? Now her bus needs to clean up thanks to you. That's it. You are grounded for 5 days. Go to your room right now.